So finally got the Amazon Basics paper shredder. So it's 7 to 8 sheet cross cut paper and credit card shredder. So let's open it up to see how good it works. By the way, it is around 40, 40 to 50 euros. So let's see. So finally it looks like this. It's not that small. For that price, I think it's quite a good product. So we have here different instructions. Sheets 80 GSM paper, I don't know, it's written in French, so I'm not sure what it is. And then ready, wait 30 minutes, and then I suppose it is ready. So let's try it after turning it on. Sure, of course it's noisy, but I'm going to insert some paper and see how it goes. So this works alright for this price. I believe for this price it's alright. So if you have any comments for this product, kindly let me know. You can post in the comments. Of course, it's always on. And if the good thing that there is that I think this keep rolling on one side. This button will keep rolling or shredding on another side. This is off and this is on. So this one that is the only on. That's good because you put it, it's off, like it's not working. When you put it, so when you put and it turned off automatically, like it stopped automatically, it does not turn off automatically. And of course then again, if you want to put, then it should start automatically. You don't need to do anything like this.